everyone. Today we'll be making stir-fry noodles. So for this we will need 1 cup mushrooms, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 1 medium onion, 1 large garlic, half teaspoon salt and black pepper, stir-fry sauce, egg noodles, and this is the additional sauce. If you don't have the stir-fry sauce, you can make this. So for this we will need sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons, white vinegar, 1 tablespoon, soya sauce, 1 tablespoon, and just mix it all together. We will be needing 1.5 cup chicken. So first we're gonna slice the onion and all the vegetables we'll be needing. So in a pan, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. This can be vegetable or sunflower oil. And then we'll be adding the chicken, the sliced chicken. And now we're gonna fry it and cover and cook it until it's fully cooked. As you can see, it's cooked, so now we're gonna add the chopped garlic and cook it for about a few minutes. Then we're gonna add the onions, carrots, and mushrooms and mix it well. Cover and cook again for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add the homemade sauce. And here we're gonna mix. Here are the egg noodles that we cooked. And now we're gonna drain them. And don't forget to rinse it with cold water. Now we mix the mixture and we're gonna add salt and black pepper. And the noodles. Now mix it well. Then I'm gonna be adding the stir-fry sauce, the whole packet, and I'll mix this well as well. So now it's the serving time, and I'm gonna dish it out in a plate. It looks really yummy and the aroma is just fabulous. It doesn't really have that much green veggies in it, but you can add them if you want. So I'm just transferring it in. Don't forget to try this, and if you like it, give a comment below. This looks so good, so now I'm gonna taste this and tell you how it is. So here we go. It looks so mouth-watering. So delicious. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.